Welcome to Pressure Crisp, everybody. My name is Lisa, and today we're doing a viewer requested. Adam from the UK donated $20 to my channel, which he wanted a steak. So we picked up, it's almost a pound ribeye steak that we're gonna be grilling in the new Ninja Foodi grill. So thank you so much, Adam. I really appreciate it. Well, yeah, let's get rolling here. To start, you want to make sure your splatter screen is in, and this is in the bottom. It's the bottom grill plate. All right, so we're gonna, make sure it's closed first. We're gonna turn it on. We're actually gonna keep it on high. It's not a very thick steak. I should try max. Let's see what happens if I, hold on. Temp. Max. Let's try max because we want a nice, it's not a super thick steak. So 10 minutes, we're gonna up the time to 12, we're gonna hit start. So what's happening right now, it's preheating, and this will take a good 10 minutes. And then if you wanna go a bit longer, you can. Me personally, I don't do that much with steaks. I'm a salt and pepper girl. You can add garlic if you want, but I'm just gonna do a plain old ribeye. This is a boneless one. Just gonna unwrap it. It's kind of thick. It's pretty thick. It's well marbled. Yeah, looks pretty good. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper, but I think I'm actually gonna use the thermometer today because this is a good thickness. So I'm curious to see. We're gonna take this. Appears to be the thicker end. We're almost in the center, but not quite. So we might have to angle this just a bit just to get it in the steak. Just add a little bit of salt, not much. Could go in this way or that way. Or we can go maybe this. It's tough because there's another muscle right here. So I'm just trying to get it into the thickest part of this steak. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it right here. I gotta move it over because it doesn't go that far. All right. All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it right there and see how it goes. Let's see if we can play with this because we're gonna do manual. We could probably do one of the presets. I'm gonna do manual. Let's see the temp. We're gonna bring it down to like the target temp's gonna be 125. We're gonna see how that works out. So it's still preheating. Okay, so it's preheated for about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and add the steak. Go ahead and raise it up. We're gonna take it. Oh yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and lower the lid. So right now the internal temperature is 45 and our target temp is 120. You missed it, but the machine just told me to go ahead and flip this steak. It's caramelizing up beautifully. Let's see if we can flip it. We'll go this way. Oh my goodness, look at that brown. That is beautiful. I hate to stab it, but I am. Now we're at 95, 96 degrees. That is beautiful. Nice, you got that nice caramelization on that. So after you flip that steak, it really goes up quickly in temperature because it went from like a 98 or 100 up to 119 in just a couple minutes compared to when I first put that steak in there. So I'm hovering, so I said my target temperature is 125. The current temperature is 122. I'm actually gonna, I don't want it to be overdone because that's gonna be such a heartbreak. I'm just getting ready to take it out. 124. Get food. Boom. I'm gonna take it out and just rest it right on the cutting board. And that is a beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. We're gonna let it rest because it actually, let's go back over to the grill. You can see it right there. It says resting. It'll actually buzz you when it's finished resting. And we'll be back to do that taste test, but look at that gorgeous, beautiful. It is done resting. It rested for about 5 minutes. So we're going to, I'm going to take the thermometer out. Be careful. It'll probably be hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Perfection. Perfect, perfect steak. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful. We're gonna do a quick taste test on this. Probably would have cooked it maybe to 120. It's a bit, it's fine. However, probably like a little bit more rare for us. So I'm just gonna go ahead. And oh, don't forget your favorite salt either, the Maldon sea salt. We're gonna do a taste test. Delicious. Ribeye steaks are my favorite. Thank you to Adam in the UK. Thank you so much. Yeah, it came out perfect. It's a beautiful, beautiful steak. Sorry, I had to make sure it tastes good. But it's really nice because you have the caramelization outside at the max temperature. And what I should do is get like an oven thermometer and pop it in there. I do want to see how high it actually goes. Ah! Dripping. Yeah, and I just mopped the floor as usual. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more Ninja Foodi appliance videos, as well as we are venturing off into trying out different appliances. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully soon. Yeah, I've been crazy busy at work, so the videos haven't been coming out as quick as I want them to, but yeah. Thank you. I appreciate everybody, and hang in there. Thanks a lot.